and today we are doing another science experiment from Boom Fun with Science. The experiment we're going to be doing today is the flying helicopter, and the supplies we need from the kit are the balloon joint, the propeller joint, and the 3 propeller blades. So, see the bumps? I can't see, sorry, but there's bumps, there's circle bumps, and there's a hole in each one of these. You're going to line the bump and the hole together, like the crack. And then you're going to keep doing that with all the other ones. And then we're going to put the balloon, the end of the balloon, onto the bigger part of this balloon joint. And then we're going to blow into the other hole. Once you put the balloon on the balloon joint, you blow it up, and then you pinch the balloon, and then you connect the propeller joint to the balloon. Now that we've got it ready to go, let's see what it does. I'm excited for this. It landed right next to me. Wow, that was so cool. It even landed next to me. Alright, I hope you loved this video. This is my favorite one so far. Stay tuned for more Cali science experiments.